Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And today is Wednesday, Hump Day, and September 15th. So we're already halfway through August, or September. Wow, I'm going backwards here. September, and I guess Halloween will be kind of knocking on the door here very soon. So let's kind of get to the economic news today. We had the Empire State Index, which is the manufacturing numbers that the New York Fed releases, and it dropped quite a bit. So that's not so good economic news right here, especially when they're in the sevens. So still expanding, but at a very slow pace. Import prices up 0.6%. So this could actually lead to a little bit more relevance as to where the CPI comes in later this week on Friday. I'm sure they'll be looking at the PPI tomorrow, the producer price index, but most importantly, what are the consumers going to be paying? And that will come on Friday. So that one could be a market mover right there, and we'll show you why in a minute here. Industrial production is up a little bit. They revised last month's a little bit lower from down to 6.6%, and this one still shows a little bit, 0.2%. So very modest right here. Technicals, the stock market is up a little bit, not a lot, but it's up a little bit. And we also had some earlier news that the Japanese intervention, the government stepped in there to prevent a soaring yen. The yen was getting really strong against dollars. So yesterday it was right around 83 yen. Now it's up to about 85. So they're trying to make it so it's not too strong. They've been fighting some deflationary problems. This may actually help ease some of the deflation concerns that we're facing here in this country with that higher import index, price index here. But again, that could come to Friday, and I'll show you why here in just a second. As you can see, we started this downward trend about last week, but this past week we've been kind of going upwards a little bit. So we have this trend going down here from here, and then we got this trend going upwards, and it looks like we're getting to a point where we're gonna hit the end of the road here, so to speak. And that's why I say Friday's CPI, by the time we hit Friday, it's gonna be crunched in. It can go one way or the other way. And right now, the trend seems kind of bullish here, but we have been testing this little line here. We've been having this trading range here. We've been kind of hitting along here. So it'll be interesting to see which way we go. Again, I think that's going to come down to the CPI. They'll probably look at tomorrow a little bit. Again, PPI will have the Philly Fed index tomorrow. The manufacturing hasn't been looking too good, especially when they were at a negative the month prior. So there might be a little bit of improvement there, but we'll have to wait and see. So, and also another thing I've been kind of talking about with these merger and acquisitions, that there's MarketWatch lady there had a article written talking about the merger acquisitions that we could also have some issues with job layoffs. So check out marketwatch.com. And finally, somebody in the media is mentioning or writing about something that I've been kind of saying for like the last month or two, that we may have more concerns with unemployment due to some of these mergers acquisitions. I've been saying nobody's really talking about that, but I say it's going to be a possible concern. You guys have a great day.